So our responsibilities on a day-to-day basis, we show up early before the pilots get here, jump in the jets, inspect them, make sure nothing's hanging, nothing's leaking, nothing's broke, and it's in a good working order to get in and turn up. We'll get in the jet, get both engines online, start it up, operate all the controls, make sure it's going to roll left, roll right, all the flight control surfaces will work. The engine will go up, go down on power, and smoke will come out the back, because that's what everybody wants to see. Once we're done with all that and we're sure that the jet's going to work like it's supposed to and operate in a good manner during the demonstration, we'll get out of the jet, perform a full inspection, top to bottom, from the tip of the jet all the way down to the wheels, making sure everything's not broken, not cracked, everything's working like it's supposed to, and that it's going to perform exactly like it's supposed to when the pilot jumps in and goes and flies the demonstration.
The bond between the pilots and the crew chiefs is truly unique, and the fact that the pilots trust us day in and day out to ensure the aircraft is safe is truly an honor, and I couldn't be any happier to be able to serve on this team with the United States Navy.